If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To pay bills you entered in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar. Then click the Pay Bills link under the Vendors heading in the menu that appears to open the Pay Bills window. This window shows the bills you've entered. To select the account from which funds are drawn to pay the bills, use the Payment Account drop-down at the top of the window. Then enter the date of the bill payment into the Payment Date field. To print the bill payment checks later, check the Print Later checkbox. Alternatively, to enter the starting check number to record checks already created, uncheck the Print Later checkbox and then enter the starting check number into the Starting Check Number field. Bills for the last 365 days appear in a list within this window. To filter the list of bills, click the Filter button at the top of the list. In the drop-down menu that appears, you can filter the bills using any of the additional drop-downs that appear. You can also check the Overdue Status Only checkbox to only show overdue bills. To apply the filter, then click the Apply button in the drop-down menu. To reset the filters, click the Reset button instead. After applying a filter, the currently applied filters appear to the right of the Filter button. To remove a filter, you can click the X by the name of the filter. Alternatively, to remove all filters, click the Clear Filter / View All link that appears here. Note, however, you should exercise caution when filtering bills in this window. If you apply a filter that shows no bills, then the Filter button and, more importantly, the current filters and the Clear Filter View All link also disappear. In this case, there is no way to show your bills again. To show all your bills again in the Pay Bills window if this occurs, close your browser, delete your browser's cache files, and then sign in and reopen the company file. Alternatively, if you can create a bill that would appear within the Pay Bills window's current filters parameters, then reopen the window and it should appear. But this may be more difficult to do as you cannot see the current filters for the Pay Bills window when no bills appear in this window. The list of bills shows a checkbox column and payee, reference number, due date, open balance, credit applied, payment, and total amount columns. You can click the column heading shown from Payee to Open Balance to sort the bills that appear by the column's values in either ascending or descending order. The sort order changes each time you click the same column heading. To select a bill to pay, check the checkbox to the left of the bill. To select all the bills, click the topmost checkbox in the column of checkboxes to the left of the Payee column heading. You can click it again after it has been checked to deselect all the selected bills if needed. After a bill is selected, the bill's full amount appears in the payment column. To make a partial bill payment if needed, simply enter a smaller amount to pay into the payment field for the selected bill. The bill will still appear within the Pay Bills window in the future, but its open balance changes to reflect the partial bill payment. Below the list of bills, towards the lower right corner, the current account balance minus the total payment and the new account balance for the selected payment account appears. In the toolbar at the bottom of the page, you can cancel the bill payments by clicking the Cancel button. To save the bill payments and/or possibly choose another action to, click or select a choice from the drop-down button at the right end of the toolbar. The choices are Save, Save and Print, Save and Close, and, if online bill payment is enabled through QuickBooks Online, Schedule Payments Online. To create the bill payment check and mark the selected bills as paid, click the Save command. To open the Print Check window and show the bill payment checks, click the Save and Print command. This list also contains any other types of checks waiting to be printed too. Alternatively, to create the bill payment checks, mark the bills as paid and close the Pay Bills window, click the Save and Close command. Finally, to schedule the actual bill payments through QuickBooks Online if enrolled in the service, select the Schedule Payments Online command instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.